Hey guys, I'm excited to talk to you today about the 5 ways that you can actually make your employees feel appreciated. And this is so important in today's work environment and honestly any work environment because your employees are your number one asset. And they need to feel like you appreciate and value their contributions, their effort, and the time that they spend with you to make your business a success. So let me ask you a question. Do you know that if your employees feel like you appreciate them, did you find out that there's an increase in overall productivity? Because there is. And I want to share with you some 5 ways that you can utilize, you can actually implement 5 strategies or 5 tactics on how to make your employees feel appreciated. Because employees that feel appreciated have a higher morale. They actually can, which is a good thing for you guys, is bring and refer employees to you. So they're friends who are, like them because we typically hang around like-minded people. So they could be referring really great employees for your business. And just feelings of overall the culture in your organization is just a better employee focused centered culture. And also a bonus, I know in the town that I live in, every year they have an award, and one of the awards is where the employees vote which is the best place to work. So this is always good because then you can shout it out on all your social media and company pages. So anyway, I'm Dr. Heather Williamson with the Transformation Group, and welcome back to the channel. All right, so let's talk about the 5 ways to make employees feel appreciated. The first one is just recognizing milestones. So milestones could be birthdays, work anniversaries, anything like that. The employee feels like, hey, you took some time out of your day, your busy day as a boss, to recognize something personal about that particular employee. And that goes a long ways. So you can do this through an email, whether it's a company-wide email or a personal email to the employee. You can also post something on your company website or on social media pages. And if it goes on a social media page, that information also, if you think about it, is obviously widespread depending on how many followers you have. But it also is sharing that you recognize and appreciate your employees, which goes to that employee-centered culture, and it kind of goes to your brand as well. So one thing to think about when sharing information, yeah, you can share birthdays, but you can also share something about maybe that employee that no one else knows that could really highlight their attributes. You can also share an accomplishment that they did to help make a department or the company a success. So that's always good as well. So the first thing, like I said, is recognize milestones. The second way to make employees feel appreciated is giving them time off. So I don't know about you, but believe it or not, employees love having time off. And this is something that is very simply implemented. Also, it gives them the employee to spend time on something that is not work related. So they can either go focus on one of their hobbies, they can spend time with family, they can take a mini vacation, they can go help out at a local charity. All this is great opportunity to make them feel appreciated. The third way that you can show appreciation is offer training. So you have high-performing employees, and they have personal goals and they have professional goals, and they are wanting to achieve them. So your role, your job as a boss is to help them grow and learn. So if you offer training, whether it's attending a conference where they can pick up and network and meet new people, they can also offer online training. You can also, if they don't have a graduate degree, or maybe they want to get a certification or even a master's, allow for education reimbursement. That is also a great way to show appreciation. The fourth way that you can show employee appreciation is to give gift cards. Very inexpensive. It's something that you can hand it out to them when they have exceeded expectations and performed great, and it's very much appreciated, I will tell you. And the fifth and final way to show appreciation to your employees is to create a peer review program within your organization. So I really like this strategy because it's the peers, it's the coworkers that are recognizing, they're showing their respect, they are showing their appreciation for the hard work that that coworker did on a project or a task. And it's not coming from you, the boss. It's not coming from management. So it's a way to show appreciation, and when it's peer reviewed, it has just a different feel to it. It just does. So it's a great way to recognize and show appreciation for that employee's hard work. All right, so just to recap, the 5 ways that you can show appreciation and make your employee feel appreciated is: the first is to recognize milestones. The second is to give time off. The third is to offer training. The fourth is to give gift cards. And then the fifth is to create a peer review program. All right? So hopefully, if you implement one or even all of these programs within your organization, your employees, I know, are going to feel appreciated, and they're going to feel like you value their contributions, their hard work, their, 100% give it all attitude. And that is huge. It creates an organization that is a happy one to work in. All right. So hopefully with that, you found some value. Please like the button below. Feel free to share this video with anybody else that you think might need some ways to show appreciation to their employees. And don't forget to subscribe. Lastly, now go out and be that boss that your employees want to work for. And making them feel appreciated is a huge part of that. All right? So with that, bye guys.